Good morning, everyone. We've got about 10 minutes to the report, and hopefully I'll get these videos done and out very quickly. What I want to go over are some questions that I've been getting about interbank FX specifically and how to place orders. You can see on the chart that in this particular interbank FX account there are some red, green, and red lines. You can see that this is marked with a sell stop. Now what this means is that there's an order out here to sell at this level. And if we'd go in and look at the order, we'd see that this level here is my stop loss, and then this level here is my take profit. I have these on here just as an example, not necessarily as anything that you need to look at for a particular order. Now let me move this down just a little bit. There we go. And move this. So then at the bottom I've got the trade window open now, and you can see here's the ticket number and the date and time that it was entered, what the order is, how much it was for, etc. Now once you place an order, for example here's the sell stop, what you can do is right click on the order itself, and it'll bring up, you can barely see the top of the menu here. If you look down, you see another window called trailing stop, and now you can see the top end of it. And you can see that I've got a 15-point trailing stop. And what that means is as soon as my order is hit, so when price comes down and it hits my order, as long as the market goes 15 pips lower, my stop is going to move down. If it goes 15 points, my stop will move down again. 15 points, my stop will move down again. So that way, as the market moves down, I can move my stop down. So you can do that as soon as you have the order placed. That was one question that I'd been getting quite frequently. The other question is, since we have retail sales coming out, I wanted to go over placing the orders inside of Interbank FX. Now I'm gonna put these orders in as if it were just before the reports, but depending on when you're watching this video, it may or may not apply. Let me first of all go down here, and I'm gonna delete this order. Okay. So if we were looking to trade retail sales right here, I like right-clicking, click on trading, and since I'm going to be doing this ahead of time, I'm just going to use micro lots to show you the orders. So I go to new order. Let me bring this into the window. I'll just go down to one micro lot. Okay, so now what this is going to do, instant execution. This means it's going to trade right now. Okay, so we've got the stop loss. You can see the instant execution is at 326 if I were selling. So if I'm going to add 25 to that, so 203.51 would be my stop loss. So again, if I'm selling, thinking the price is going to go down, I need my stop loss to be above my entry point. Take profit. It's going to be at 281. Let me just hold this down. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here we have the instant execution. Volume is 0.01. Stop loss, take profit, instant execution. I'm just going to go ahead and sell. Okay, so I've got the order in, and I'll go over here to the trade. There it is. You can see the order. Here's the order number, so that's the ticket number. You have the time, what type it was, how many lots, the symbol, etc. Now you've got also the stop loss, take profit, and then the price that it was executed. Now here's of course the profit, 50 cents, minus 50 cents. So one of the questions that I had was, how do you manage the trade? Do you need to have two trade windows open? And you really don't, and here's why. Meaning you don't need to sit there with this new order window like this, waiting to, for example, hit the buy button. Let's say price is really moving down, and you're sitting there waiting to hit this buy button to take profits.